It's a team of highly motivated people who come together to build tools that make it possible for anybody to bring their ideas to life. We make the whole 3D printing ecosystem. So the hardware, the software, the materials, we control the whole thing. And this really allows us to solve amazing problems and work with incredible companies and stuff like helping somebody walk by making a custom prosthesis, or working with Ford to help design the new Ford Explorer. So it's kind of a wide range of people that we interact with, but that's who we are. At the end of the day, it's a team of people building really cool tools that help meet the customer needs and make what they're trying to do a reality. Here we have two primary sales motions. One is we have customers who reach out to us looking for help, looking for assistance. And we have a team that takes that, come in the form of, say, leads, and team that answers those questions and tries to find the best solution to meet whatever they're trying to do. The other motion that we have is to work with existing accounts and look at ways through to save them time and money by finding great solutions to expand their adoption of additive across their organization. We work with such a wide array of companies. So in a single day, be working with somebody doing CAD modeling and design to make something in the automotive space. And then we could be working with a medical specialist who's trying to design some patient-specific device that would improve overall healthcare. So huge range of people that we work with. But at the end of the day, really what it comes down to with the sales process here is we want passionate, knowledgeable people who are taking this incredible 3D printing technology and pairing it to our customers' needs, engineers, designers, manufacturers. And by understanding what they do, we can apply the hardware, software, materials, all of our things to help them expand what they're capable of, to have an impact on their company. And that expertise and engagement is really what drives us, and that's what our sales team does. So a typical sales process would be if they're reaching out to us, they've identified something, maybe they've seen something about 3D printing or additive, and they want to explore, and maybe they don't have a lot of background in it. So they would reach out and say, I'm looking at a printer or a certain type of material, I need help. And so our team would engage with that person and first off try to understand, what are you trying to accomplish? What are you trying to do? Once we understand that, then we can try to determine if the products and solutions we have would meet that customer's need. And if it does, then that's something where, you know, we design that together and they'd end up implementing it and hopefully find an amazing outcome. The other process, like I said, would be to work with our existing customers, because we have over 100,000 printers out in the world, a lot of different companies using them. And so at the people who rely on our technology already, sometimes there's a core group inside of a company who is the primary users, and they've gotten a huge amount of value out of this product, but the rest of the organization doesn't necessarily know about it. So we'd work closely with them to identify how have we saved them time or money or brought value to them, and help them put that together to something that they could then present to to the internal stakeholders at other areas of the business, and help them expand that, and by doing so increase that overall savings that they're achieving. Interview process at Formlabs consists of multiple, I say, kind of short sessions that are designed to give the candidate a chance to meet us and us a chance to meet them. So the different sessions are laid out in ways and they're designed to help us determine things like culture fit, passion, curiosity, technical skills, communication style, and they'll take different forms. Some are kind of your traditional one-on-one, traditional interview style. Some would be role plays, getting a chance to actually try to get to know the product a little bit and explain it. Some virtual, some in person. And throughout the process, we try to make sure that the candidate's able to meet lots of different people at Formlabs. We think this is really important. Gives the person looking to potentially join a better feel for the company, gets them a chance to ask a lot of different questions and to get the different perspective of a lot of different people. for someone looking to join the team, I think one thing that's really important is that we're always looking for smart people who love technology, like to problem solve, like to get hands-on, and also really enjoy interacting with a wide range of people. So if that sounds like you, this could be a really good fit. For anyone specifically like with a technical background, engineering background, who are looking either say coming out of school and they want to apply their skills and they're trying to figure out how, or maybe somebody who's been in the field for a couple years. There's really good financial opportunities here too. So I definitely consider technical sales roles if you're looking, because you can leverage that technical skill, but there's also higher upside. There's the ability to, there's salary, but there's also bonus and incentive-based pay, and there's career growth and clear career progression that can unlock more from a monetary side. And you get to leverage that technical skill for, high impact, like important work. One other piece I would say, another piece of advice at the moment is that now's a great time to join Formlabs. In the past year, we launched the Form 4 and the 4L, two industry-leading products that have gotten an amazing reception, a lot of wow moments. You can find them on YouTube. Adam Savage and other people have reviewed them, and we're really getting amazing customer feedback from these, and so we're growing, and we're growing fast. And that's also why we're looking to hire people and bring them on board quickly, because we have a lot of customers who are looking to Formlabs for solutions. In addition to that, because we know it's a really important time of growth, we've also increased compensation recently. So entering into our technical sales rep position now starts with a $90,000 on target earnings, and then goes up as you advance. And if you come in as an account manager with a couple years experience, we start at 110,000 and move up from there. Formlabs is a great location. It's a fun place. It's got a good culture. And it's a lucrative opportunity, but we want you to be you and add to the company and help us grow based on your unique characteristics and what you're capable of.